This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Alright, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So here we have accelerations. According to spec, it's 7.4 seconds, and it managed to go 7.4 seconds despite having winter tires, which usually results in slightly lower or worse results. So that's good. And you see that the car is relatively light. I think that's the reason. And 220 horsepower. Not much to say about that. Okay, actually, maybe I should compare against some other cars. Yeah. You see that ID3 is actually faster. Is that one rival? What about... yeah, I'm not sure what other cars I should compare against. Well, maybe Aria. Aria was really... Wow, Aria was that slow? What the heck? Oh, yeah, because well, it's a lot heavier. That's why. Okay, so what should I say then? 7 seconds is relatively quick for, I guess, compared to fossil cars. But in this table, you see that it's kind of low. Yeah. And then as for braking, it did it very well for a winter tire. Actually, the best winter tire result. In general, winter tires, you see that they have quite bad braking distance. But I guess it's because it's so light. And then the last one is noise. It comes here. How is this? We have the winter table here and the summer table. The reason why I separate them is because winter tires, they are in general softer, and then on the tarmac I tested on, it's kind of semi-rough. Actually, yeah, sometimes somewhat rough, and that's why winter tires will in general give you better noise results than summer tires. And I got the impression that the Megane was noisier than Aria. You see here 65.25 decibel, and then Aria was actually quite high here. But you see, even despite having summer tires, Aria was better. So compared to that, but then I guess if you look again on this table and see other cars, EQC was done actually. I don't remember when, but it might have been done on the right lane, which is slightly rougher. But I mean, if you look at this table, actually, seems like the Megane was even better than the Neo ES8. So yeah, I guess so. I mean, it's still high up in the list here. Not that noisy, but then again, not so quiet. So yes, there you guys have it. What else is to say? It scores pretty well on many of these tests, at least. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.